the deadlift. So here's an exercise where we're progressing our hip hinge movement to have more of a full range of motion. We can split this one up into two different stages to make it a bit easier. So the first stage will be standing tall with the bar in our hands, and we are doing our Romanian deadlift down to the level of our knees. So at that point, it's all in the hips traveling backwards, keeping the spine neutral. And then once we get to that level of the knees, that's our stage 2, where it's all in the legs from there, where we drop the weight down to the ground, nice and controlled. So notice I pause at the level of the knee with every rep here. So if you're starting out, definitely do that so you can clearly define in your mind the two different stages. The big things we want to avoid is bending our knees before the bar gets to the level of our knees, and the big one, arching our back. We do not want to compromise our back posture while deadlifting.